This is a hundredths grid, which means there are 100 little squares in this grid. Well, how do I know that? Well, I didn't just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and go on and on and on like that. So what's a faster way to figure out that there's 100 squares? Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares going this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squares going this way. So 10 times 10 is 100. And I know that there's 100 squares in this hundredths grid. If I was to color in one square, that would be one square out of 100. I have colored in 1/100th of the grid. If I color in 5 squares, I have colored in 5/100ths of this grid. If I'm going to make this garden have some vegetables, I might use CU equals cucumbers. Alright, so I'm going to fill in some cucumbers. So I'd put a CU in here, and a CU in here, and maybe this whole section would all be CU. It would all be cucumbers. Well, now I can ask myself, what fraction of the garden is cucumbers? Well, if I count up how many cucumber sections I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so if I have 5 going this way, and 1, 2, 3, 4 going this way, so 5 times 4 gives me my area. It's 20. So I have 20 hundredths of my garden planted with cucumbers. Now let's say I want to do, should find an orange, because I want to do some carrots or something. I can't find a very nice orange. Alright, let's try this. So I am going to do carrots in this whole section right here. This is all going to be carrots. Alright, so what fraction of my garden now is planted with carrots? Well, I could count up how many areas or how many squares are carrots. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 30 hundredths are carrots. I've planted 30 hundredths of my garden with carrots. Now I could also change that fraction to make an equivalent fraction. Here's a cool strategy. If I cross out the 0 here, I can cross out the 0 up here. I crossed out 1 0 on my numerator and denominator, and that leaves me with 3/10. So I could say that my garden is planted, 3/10 is planted with carrots. What about if we go back to my cucumbers? Remember I have 20 hundredths of cucumbers? Well, let's cross out a 0 from each my numerator and denominator. I have 2/10. So 2/10 is planted with cucumbers. And that's my fraction garden.